Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and allow your body to relax. This is not just a meditation. It is your gateway to the vortex, your portal into unlimited possibilities, parallel realities, and the version of you that is already free, abundant, and wealthy. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel yourself letting go of the day, the noise, the doubts. Right here, right now, nothing else matters except your shift into abundance. Now, take another 2 big deep breaths in and slowly exhale. Imagine yourself standing before a great swirling vortex of light. It glows with golden energy, shimmering like liquid sunlight. This is your Vortex Request, the bridge between dimensions, the infinite choice of realities. As you step closer, notice how the vortex responds to you. It hums in harmony with your heartbeat. It is alive, aware, and waiting to align with your request. Say silently to yourself, I request to shift into my highest reality, a reality of wealth, abundance, joy, and freedom. Now, step into the vortex and feel yourself being lifted, carried, transported into the version of you who is already financially abundant. As you move through the vortex, notice doors of light opening. As you move through the vortex, notice doors of light opening. Each door is a timeline, a reality. You pass by countless possibilities, but you are drawn to one in particular. Behind this door is the version of you who has already achieved financial freedom. You are rich, successful, and abundant, but also joyful, at peace, and completely free of fear or resistance. Step through the door now. Feel your feet land firmly in this new reality. This is your new world. Look around you. Notice the environment that wealth and abundance has created for you. Maybe it's your dream home, a beautiful office, or a calm, peaceful sanctuary. Now, see yourself strong, confident, smiling, surrounded by prosperity. Notice how natural it feels to be financially free. There is no fear, no blockages. Money flows to you like air, like water, endlessly and effortlessly. Repeat in your mind, I am wealthy. I am financially abundant. I am free of fear around money. I welcome wealth with happiness. Let these affirmations become the rhythm of your breathing. With every inhale, you draw in more wealth. With every exhale, you release the old beliefs that no longer serve you. You feel light. You feel powerful. You feel aligned with this new identity. Repeat these in your mind. I am wealthy. I am financially abundant. I am free of fear around money. I welcome wealth with happiness. I am wealthy. I am financially abundant. I am free of fear around money. I welcome wealth and happiness. The vortex remains with you always, a spiritual gateway that you can enter at any time. But now, you have shifted into a version of yourself that already lives in abundance. Carry this feeling with you. The joy of being wealthy. The freedom of financial success. The peace of knowing that you deserve it and that it will never run out. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Feel this new identity lock into place. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room, but know that your reality has shifted. You are no longer the same person. You are aligned, abundant, and free. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. You are home. You are wealthy. You are in the vortex.